What's up? What's up? And the channel that YouTube stops from growing. So, all you 4 people out there, and we know the algorithm stops anyone from getting it, so please don't be offended. Anyway, we have pulled the Honda engine down because I started finding water in places water shouldn't be, and I also started finding a load of bolts that weren't as tight as they should have been, and some that were absolutely ridiculously tightened up. So as usual, a fuckwit's been in there, so we had to pull it all apart, and it's a good job. Or is it a good job? I don't know. It's a bad job that I found inside, although it is a new barrel and a piston. It's been left with water standing in it. So we're going to have to try and rescue that now. So my little assistant here is going to grab hold my jug. That means hold that thing. Get down there, girl. Get on your knees. Get on your knees now. Come on, I was supposed to be angry because you remember that video I showed you, and some guy put a message on there saying, "How dare you talk to that sweet young thing like that? You are an absolute disgrace." Do you remember that? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's funny as fuck, wasn't it? Yeah, anyway, no, come down here, love. Right, look, we want a little bit of cylinder lubricant, but I want you to hold this still as well, okay? So that's it. Start off by holding it, yeah, and if I say squirt, squirt. Alright? I'll
put it in my face.
Well, no, don't squirt in my face, love. No, that's not the kind of thing we can put on YouTube. Seriously. I don't know, we're only 4 viewers, we'd probably get away with it. Right, this is going to try and fall over, so hold it hard to start with. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I was a little bit, no, it's okay. I was a little bit careless then. I should not have let it slip out. Oh, so much innuendo in your face. Right, it's a little bit dry. We want that a little bit wetter on the next one. Could you feel it trying to pull out of your hands?
Yeah.
No, it's difficult to hold or not?
Yeah, no, not difficult.
Well, because you need to get a bit of this in here, all right? Okay. It's supposed to be going in there all the time, but this is Curbside Autos, live and direct. Right, you ready? Yeah. Can you take one hand off and squirt some juice in? Get it in there. Don't get the, that's it, don't get the thing in tight. Go on again. No, all right, down inside, not on them. That's it, you got it. All right, that'll do. Oops, shouldn't have stopped that before it came out. An internet expert would spot that and would give me no end of abuse for that, but thankfully, because I've only got 4 viewers, the haters haven't found me yet. Ha ha ha. I'm waiting for the day I'll know when I've gone viral, because people will start showing up and putting abusive, well, not abusive, but trying to tell me I don't know what I'm doing. We've had the abusive wanker show up. We know who he is. We're not concerned with that turd at all. Right. I don't really want to hone this forever because it's just going to increase the size of the bore, but we've got most of the nastiest out. We're going to do one more, love. Get on your knees and spray some juice. I'm having trouble pinching my thing together. Get that spray in there, please, love. Go on. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Spray. Again. Right. I'm going to want a bigger size piston in there if I do any more. Oop. Balancing this in one hand. Right, okay. So, I know you're not really getting much of a view on the video, but you probably haven't watched any further than the first 10 seconds anyway. So, We have got most of the staining out of the walls. Where are you? Is that you? I'm not leaning over the camera far enough to see what you're looking at. But yeah, there we go. I'll now give that a good diesel bath and on with the show.